बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लि व सल्लि अलैहि. Dear colleagues, this is a female child of 8-year-old complaint of pain in the right iliac fossa, tenderness and vomiting, lasting for the last 8 days. So I have placed the linear probe, high frequency probe over the epigastric region, and then coming down and down, down and down, and here we can appreciate the multiple enlarged lymph nodes. So these larger lymph nodes are ovoid in shape and smaller, relative smaller are rounded. So these are present along the right mesenteric vessels. And if I move toward the right iliac fossa at the McBurney point, there we can appreciate the target appearing lesion within the right sided abdomen. So this is the typical appearance of intussusception. If we closely observe, we can see that this gut is going into the another gut loop. So gut within the gut sign is present. So this is the typical case for the intussusception. The main interesting things is that always, not always, usually there is lead point in the adult and children population. And if there is a case of intussusception, we should search for the lead point. So here we can appreciate that multiple enlarged lymph nodes are present, and if we closely observe the intussusception, we can appreciate the lymph node within the intussusception. You can appreciate that this lymph node is present within the gut lobe. So this may be these lymph nodes may be the lead point for the invagination of one gut loop into the another gut loop. So this was the interesting case for having lead point for the intussusception. For this reason, I like to share you people how the lead point was present in this case. So we can appreciate gut inserting into the another gut and making the target sign. So basically the lead point was hypertrophic or enlarged lymphatic tissue, lymph nodes. This one and this one. These two are the lead point. This gut loop is a recipient which is receiving this gut loop. This is the recipient or receiving gut loop called insuscipient, and this is the donor gut loop which is inserting into the another gut loop. This is called interseptum. Target sign inner echogenic, outer hypoechoic. Lead point. Enlarge lymph node. Thank you very much.